What is that like for the drivers when they start driving with automated transmissions?
Sure, a seasoned driver who's been around for quite some time, it's going to be an adjustment, right? They used to have a clutch pedal, they used to have a lot more control. That control has now gone to a computer. And so the computer or the system is deciding when to engage and disengage that clutch. And it's taken a lot of the responsibility away from the driver. And so there is a learning curve there, especially when you're driving in different terrains, whether you're in the mountains or whatever it may be. They need to get used to it and need to relinquish some of that control that they used to have to now allow the truck to do the work that it's looking to do.
And by relinquishing some of that control and deferring to the computer, I've heard, though, that there is a increase in performance, meaning lower fuel consumption, and that lowers total cost of operation. Have you found that with the conversations you've had with fleets?
Absolutely. A lot more fleets are moving to the AMT applications for those specific reasons.